In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord not opening on your PC. If you've ever encountered this frustrating issue, stay tuned as we walk through a straightforward process to get Discord up and running again, all in under 5 minutes. Let's start by opening the Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard simultaneously. This handy tool is essential for managing applications and processes running on your computer. Once Task Manager is open, navigate to the Processes tab. Here, you'll find a list of currently running processes. Look for any processes related to Discord. Click on each one and hit End Task to close them. This step ensures that any lingering background processes aren't causing Discord to hang. Next, it's time to restart your PC. A simple restart can often clear up temporary glitches that might be preventing Discord from launching properly. Once your computer has rebooted, it's time to move on to the next step. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% into the box and hit Enter. This command opens the roaming folder, which houses application data for many of the programs on your computer. In this folder, locate the Discord folder and go ahead and delete it. This action helps in clearing out cache and any corrupted files that might be interfering with Discord startup. Now, we'll proceed to remove Discord from your system. Head over to your Windows search bar and type Add or Remove Programs or Apps and Features. From there, search for Discord in the list of applications. Click on it and then choose to uninstall. By uninstalling, we're preparing for a clean installation, which can resolve many underlying issues. After successfully uninstalling, your next task is to download the latest Discord version from the official Discord website. Make sure you are grabbing it from the genuine site to avoid potential security risks. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the setup instructions to reinstall Discord on your machine. Finally, regardless of whether a simple cache clearance or a full reinstall was required, right-click on the newly installed Discord icon. Choose Run as Administrator from the menu. Running as an administrator can sometimes bypass any permission-related issues that are preventing it from starting up smoothly. With these steps completed, Discord should now open without a hitch. Hopefully, these strategies have resolved your issue, and you're back to chatting and gaming with your friends. Thank you for watching, and remember to check back for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.